Looking to boost your income without breaking a sweat, earning real cash simply by sharing your opinions and playing games? In today's video, I'll reveal 6 legit apps that can put money right in your PayPal account or gift cards in your pocket. Stay tuned to discover which app helped me make over $500 in just a month and get ready to start earning effortlessly. First app, userinterviews.com. The first legitimate app that offers real money is userinterviews.com. It is where you can earn by taking online surveys and conducting usability tests for various products and software applications. This app, along with the 5 other apps we'll cover today, is accessible in many countries worldwide and provides multiple payment options. User Interviews boasts a Trustpilot rating above 4.5, making it a reliable choice. You can earn between $10 and $200 for spending just 30 to 60 minutes using and reviewing various products or services. This might involve playing a game or testing a physical or online product. Payments are made through options like virtual Visa cards, gift cards, Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, etc., or directly into your PayPal account. However, it's only available in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, France, Germany, South Africa, and India. If you're outside these countries, you can try Respondent.io, a similar platform that operates globally and also pays in cash and PayPal. Second app, CashKick app. Now, let's talk about the CashKick app, which is a new platform offering real money for various tasks. CashKick is notable for its high-paying PayPal opportunities. You can earn money by installing apps, playing games, and completing surveys. For surveys on CashKick, payment ranges from a few cents to $1 based on their complexity. Meanwhile, installing apps or playing games can earn you between $3 and $300, depending on the specific task. To get started with CashKick, you can sign up using your PayPal, Facebook, or Google account and receive a $1 sign-up bonus. To withdraw your first $10 from CashKick into your PayPal account, you'll need to earn an additional $9. However, CashKick is currently only available in the US. If you're located outside the US, you can use FreeCash, a similar app accessible in many countries worldwide. Third app, Servio.com. The third reliable app that offers real PayPal payments is Servio.com. Suru is accessible in more than 158 countries, allowing you to earn money online from nearly any location. With Suru, you can make money by participating in various engaging surveys, with potential earnings of up to $9 per survey. The platform offers flexible payment options, including PayPal, various gift cards, such as Amazon and Etsy, depending on your location, and direct bank transfers, which are highly sought after. Fourth app, Prizes.gamey.com. The fourth app on our list is Prizes.gamey.com, which allowed me to earn over $500 in just 1 month without active involvement. Prizes.gamey.com is a play-to-earn app offering a variety of engaging games where you can make money online. In March 2024, I successfully withdrew more than $500 from the Gamey app, which I accumulated through a combination of playing games and leveraging their referral program. Initially, I earned over $10 by playing the games. Then, by utilizing their referral system, where you receive 10 cents for each person you refer, I generated over $500 from referring others to Gamey. Fifth app, Honeygain. The fifth app on our list for earning money is Honeygain. This app is a solid choice for those who are comfortable with a slower but reliable method of passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Honeygain doesn't generate large sums of money, but it can help you cover expenses such as your monthly Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube premium subscriptions. To cash out, you need to accumulate a minimum of $20, which can be withdrawn through PayPal or in JumpTask cryptocurrency. Sixth app, PayPal. The sixth app on our list that allows you to earn real PayPal money is actually PayPal itself. That's right. PayPal offers a referral program in certain countries where you can earn money simply by referring friends. When you refer someone to PayPal and they sign up, link their bank account, credit card, or debit card, and then make a transaction of $5 or more within 30 days, both you and your referral will receive $10 in your PayPal accounts. you can earn up to $100 through this referral program. To check if this offer is available in your country, search for PayPal Refer and Earn on Google. Click on the top link, which will direct you to a page where you can see if the referral offer is available in your region. If the page still displays the referral program details, it means you can participate. If not, the offer may not be available in your country. For beginners looking to start earning money online, the CashKick app is an excellent choice. Here's why. Why CashKick is great for beginners. First reason, user-friendly interface. CashKick offers a simple and intuitive interface that's easy for new users to navigate. You won't need a lot of experience to get started. Second reason, low entry barriers. You can start earning with CashKick by completing straightforward tasks like installing apps, playing games, and taking surveys. This low barrier to entry makes it accessible for beginners. CashKick provides a $1 bonus just for signing up. This immediate reward can be motivating and gives you a head start. Third reason, flexible earning opportunities. The app offers various ways to earn, so you can choose tasks that fit your interests and schedule. Fourth reason, reliable payouts. CashKick pays out via PayPal, making it easy to transfer your earnings to your bank account. So, today, we've explored a range of legitimate apps that offer real opportunities to earn money online. From taking surveys and testing products on userinterviews.com to earning cash by playing games on CashKick and prizes by Gamey, there's no shortage of ways to make money from your phone or computer. Honeygain provides a steady passive income by sharing your unused internet data, while PayPal even offers a referral program where you can earn money by simply referring friends. Each app has its unique features and benefits, so depending on your preferences and location, you can choose the ones that best fit your needs. Remember to check the availability of these programs in your country and keep an eye on their payment methods to maximize your earnings. I'd really like to know your thoughts. Out of the apps we discussed, which one are you most excited to try? Or do you have any other favorite money-making apps that you think are worth sharing? Let me know in the comments below. I'm interested to hear about your experiences and any tips you might have for fellow viewers. If you found this video valuable and want to keep up with more insights on how to maximize your earnings online, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Profitability Plus, and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll stay updated with all our latest content and never miss out on new opportunities to boost your income. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing your comments and catching up with you in the next video.